Hey guys, we all know Pinterest mainly focuses on the visual connection with visitors and how attractive your pin is to get more scrolling eyes to your special pin in particular. Therefore, it defines how you can build a curiosity to get more impressions to your pin that would be translated to outbound clicks to your website or even better, your store and to get more sales, print on demand, affiliate marketing, and so on. So in this video, I'm going to show you an awesome trick how you can do that on Pinterest wisely and in very smart way. So now let's get started. And first thing here, just head over to this amazing website that says infography.in. It's a beautiful website that turns your blog and your articles into stunning and shareable infographics. And for sure, we all know infographic is an awesome way to convey your message and your data and your idea in digestible and in funny way. As you see, just you can actually insert in your infographics short text and with amazing illustrations and graphics to build your connection with your own audience visually and increase your readership. So it's an awesome way to actually do well on Pinterest, and it depends mainly on this visual content. So for sure, you can sign up for free in this amazing website from this button, try for free. Click over it. Thus here, after registrations for free in this amazing website, you land on this dashboard. We're just going to start with this one. Select your aspect ratio of your infographic you want. Here you can find a wide range of these options: vertical, square, horizontal, or portrait. So I will select this one, vertical. It's more reasonable and suitable for Pinterest platform, like this one for sure. And then you can select your language, and luckily you can find different languages here supported in this amazing website, including Hindi, Spanish, Portuguese, Arabic, and so on. So just keep it in English as you want. And here is better for you to actually insert here any piece of content that you can get from ChatGPT or any other website, or even you can jot down your thoughts here as you want. And for sure, it's better for you to actually use one that published earlier here from your topic and your niche. And that's why I just take it over to google.com and look for any article that talks about your niche and your topics. And for sure, you can actually go with a smart way. Just you can make your own visual content or your infographics in particular about the specific niches people are interested on Pinterest, especially for the female-oriented niches like the beauty and fashion, pets, and so on. So for example, if I wanna get more traffic to my store, for example, for my print on demand, I just wanna sell some t-shirts, leggings, and so on. About I love my golden retriever dog and so on. So for example, pets training or the pets love and so on. And you can find tons of these articles talking about this specific niche or this topic as you want, like puppy and adult dog training classes, animal training, all pet education, and so on. So for example, if you want to convert one of these articles to your infographic for free, all you need to do just you can copy this URL, for example, and head over back to your infographic, like this one, for example. Insert here your URL, and then you can actually generate your infographic. And just in a few seconds here, and for sure, if you just find an error message, here you can go back to Google and try any other article as you want. So I will try something else like carry my pet here, copy link address, and get over back to your this website and generate. As you see, and this magic happens to you. As you see, convert this article or this page to beautiful infographics, text, and for sure this paragraphs or a summary of this article translated to this mind-blowing infographic in different styles, as you see, with amazing graphics relevant to your topic and so on and so forth, as you observe. And as I showed on the top, here in this Infography website, here you can edit your image as you like. For example, so here you can actually use one of these beautiful ones like this one, the significance of pet training, and you can find some relevant, amazing illustrations. Okay, so just you can down below, you can find these options and click over this one, edit your infographic. as you see here. And here you can actually edit your text in this infographic using these editing tools in this left panel. Like you can select from select this one for example, and change its font, color, and so on, and make it bigger, smaller as you like. And you can do that throughout all this infographic content, like for headings like this one and subheadings or content as you want. Or even you can manually make it suitable for you like this one, okay, and move around to make it more readable to your customers and visitors on Pinterest.com, as you see. Perfect, like this one. And the best part here, you can actually, if you find some different illustrations it's not go well with your own content, here it's better for you to upload your illustrations and your graphics from external websites. And you can do that simply if you visit this website, that is publicdomainvectors.org. Here you can find 10,000 of these free vectors and graphics for all your topics you are looking for on Pinterest. So for example, if you are interested in the pet niche, as in our case, so here you can go to the search bar and look for pets, for example, or dogs or anything else, and you can find a variety of these ones as you see. So you actually can go for this one like this one, and just download, go back to your own infographic and go to this one option, upload your own and upload your image. Or you can actually find another way to get these illustrations for your infographics if you head over to pixabay.com. For sure, we all know Pixabay can find here millions of these stock footage completely for free. So here you can go to the section illustrations here and look for anything you want, like dog, pets, and so on, as you see. So for example, I just take one of these beautiful ones like this one, okay, and download like this one as you saw as here from public domain vectors, okay. So you can make it here, and for sure you can select from this option and from these external websites an amazing color matching illustration as you like. And you can find something else here you can actually use as a pivotal role in your marketing on Pinterest. Here if you go to this text box, text option, here you can find something, a little option here says add a text box. So when you click over this one, here you can find this box, custom box. Just you can drag here down the very bottom of your own infographic, where you can actually announce anything you want in a sequence of promoting your website or your digital product or your affiliate product and the like. So here you can add a call to action. So if anyone interested in reading this infographic about the significance of pet training, he would go for the first number one, the first topic, and the first point, and go through all these points and reach the end of this infographic by you can actually your offer and your announcement to promote a specific more valuable product or to get more traffic to visit your own website and so forth. So for sure you can actually insert here in this custom text, edit as a call to action like this one for example, and for sure it's up to you to change its color from these options, make it this one, make it red, white, blue, and so on as you see. It will be more visible. For sure you can get this call to action from ChatGPT or DeepSeek as you want to get more traffic by make your audience and these visitors to click over this Pinterest bin or this infographic to be taken to your website or your store as you like. Done. When you're happy with this infographic, just head over to this download option to download this one in different options formats, JPG or PNG with your own dimensions, and download your own infographic. Time to upload this infographic to pinterest.com, and for sure don't forget that if you promote something in this infographic, you gotta insert in your destination link your link of your website or your store. Apply this technique and this strategy to promote your digital products, your affiliate products wisely and in a very smart move on pinterest.com. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.